You might wonder why this year we are here at the UFO Pavilion celebrating our Philippine Independence Day. Unlike the other years, where we're doing this somewhere in the hotels. Last year we were in the Aqua Resort. I guess obviously the reason why we were here, everybody knows that we're still recovering from the devastations of Super Typhoon Sinlaco. And I understand some of us are still have no power, right? Everybody has power? Almost? Okay. In our place, we're running all our engines. So that's all what I can say. And I'm from power generation, so I can honestly say that our engines are running right now. I was there every day, so I can assure you that our engines are capable.
So you have power.
I have power 3 weeks ago. That's because okay, and then to show that solidarity to the community, we cannot just celebrate and just like what we're doing for the past years. And secondly, my announcement is that you might probably think that UFO had no much activity with regards to the annual Pista Pinoy. Weeks ago, I make an announcement that this year, this June, it's supposed to be on or before June 12, we are celebrating our Pista Pinoy. Our regular event was held at Marianas Business Plaza. But for this year, because we're still suffering from the aftermath of typhoon, we decided to suspend the celebration of Pista Pinoy. So it is very hard to gather all our kababayan when some of them are still fixing their houses and some of them are lost their job. So among others,